Hi, Firestarter here, and welcome to my toy review of the OCC Kamen Rider Birth! Sorry about that. So this is the box number 6, Kamen Rider Birth. Picture of Kamen Rider Birth, Birth Buster, the wing, the whole thingamajig on Kamen Rider Birth. Number 6 on the series, Kamen Rider Birth. He has the shovel arm, presto canon, and drillo arm, cutter wing, crane arm, caterpillar leg, and of course, since this is an OCC, when you combine all of these things, it becomes, ta-da! A huge scorpion. Come over here! Just kidding. A lot of pictures for Kamen Rider Birth, so that's great. So, side, top, bottom, you can see everything here, from the drill to caterpillar, catepillar leg. So let's open this box. Accessories. Now I compiled them in one huge bulk, but I'll show you one by one. Like for example, the cutter wing. It does have levers and what have you. Does go in and out, open and close. The drillo arm. It doesn't have anything to move on, but nice accessory nonetheless. The 2 legs, the crane arm has a swiveling pivot point here, and the arm itself goes in and out. Presto canon, that's the only articulation point, goes that way or this way. Shovel arm doesn't have anything extra, but still nice addition to Kamen Rider Birth. 2 kinds of Birth Busters. Birth Buster in like a motorized shooting mode and the regular mode, single shooting mode. The only thing you'll ever complain is that most of the parts don't have much paint apps. Like for example, the legs, the only painted part is here. The arm is only on the sides. The shovel, yellow or I mean orange paint apps on the sides. So as the drill, the legs, and the Birth Buster. So that's it. How to combine everything else? Simple. All you have to do is take the birth canon. This would be your main point to connect all of the accessories in. Next, you get the cutter wing, place it on the side, and then the shovel arm on the other side, because there's a hole and there's a peg. Just place it in, and then the legs goes to the sides of the cannon itself. Place it right here and on the other side, and then make a little room to place the crane arm, which is also the tail of the scorpion, like so. Lock everything else, make sure it's secure. Next is the drill. The drill is actually the last point of articulation for the whole thing. Just place it on top of the drill arm. It's supposed to lock in place, but it's not. How? Why? Okay. Should be a hole. Yeah, there's a hole on the side. So just place it there, and there you have it. You have a huge scorpion. Scorpion. Let's take out the birth buster. So articulation points when everything is combined is the arms, the hands of the scorpion, the clippers if you will, the tail, and the legs doesn't move, so you're stuck with that. It looks nice. It's a great addition because I bet you won't see this on Kamen Rider or at the SH Figure Arts version of Kamen Rider Birth. So if you can get one of these, buy this one just because of the scorpion. Let's move to Kamen Rider Birth, and I'll take this one apart. Kamen Rider Birth. I'm tired of saying that every time. So articulation points would be the head. It's on a ball joint. There's no neck articulation, so the only thing that moves is only the head. Shoulders doesn't have any additional swivel points inside, but it has a ball joint outside, or a hinge. I mean a hinge. So the arm goes in and out, rotating 360 movement. There's another hinge over here at the middle of the bicep, so you can move that in and out. Swivel on the hand, on the single jointed elbow, swiveling hand, and there's another hinge for the hand, which is kind of neat because it makes you feel secure when holding the birth buster. No articulation points on the torso area. Ball joint on the hinge for the crotch area. Single jointed knee. So there's somewhat a limitation on Kamen Rider Birth, and a swivel over here in the middle of the leg, and a ball joint for the foot. So that's it. Complaints about the figure would be the joints in the crotch area because it can come out loose like so, but the paint apps for this figure is very neat and very nice. Just like the other OCC figures, the middle or the belt has less colors than I think what would be the SH Figure Arts counterpart. The only painted part on the belt or on the birth driver would be the handle. It doesn't turn, it's already on, and it's colored gray. It's plain! So let's get it on with the parts. Let's do with the legs first. So there's a hole on the shin parts of birth, so you just have to insert the peg to the shin. It takes a while before you can get used to connecting everything in, because once it's in, it's really sturdy and it's tight. Now drill arm, peg, he has a hole on the chest, just place it in like so. Wings, of course, at the back, spread it out so it looks cool, and shovel arm on the side. He has a lot of holes and pegs, so he has a lot of options to where you can place the things, but I do recommend the parts where I'm placing it right now because that's the only thing that works. Yay! Wow, it's massive. With the accessories, and he does look stable because of the huge legs, and the amount of possibilities is nice. So there, but it takes a while because of the loose joints on the crotch area. He has a huge tendency to fall, even in a certain pose. So there's somewhat a limitation when it comes to putting everything on and then making him stand. The only thing right now that's keeping him upright, standing up in a certain position, it's because of the crane arm being the third leg of the whole figure. So let's just take out the shovel arm and let's see if the birth buster holds well. He has a good grip on the birth buster. So wow, such a massive weaponry. Is he worth buying? Yes, somewhat yes, because one, the price range for Kamen Rider Birth, OCC Kamen Rider Birth, is just like your regular SH figure line. Great thing about it, he has a lot of accessories because he's Birth. It's fitting that he has all of these things in one package. There's a hole on the head. I have no clue what's that for. So that's it on my review. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my channel. Do continue to subscribe my channel, my Facebook and my Twitter, and do visit my blog ridersrangersandrambles.com for my review. Again, this is Firestarter. Thank you, and until my next video.